So okay. Everybody remembers Marizia now? Huh?
Yeah, I hope so.
Sure.
Yeah.
You know?
Hi
Anyway.
guys. I'm Marizia.
Remember she came here, what was it, 4 months ago?
Four months later, and here I am. They call this the Bahamas of Cape Verde. It was a rough ride getting here, solo sailing at Force 8 Beaufort scale during the night. Autopilot breaks down. The ocean gods were out to test me. I passed, but not my autopilot. The climate here is hard on everything, literally.
This is what happens to your lines after being at sea for a while. Now hard. Gotta rinse them out full of salt and salt.
The bright side of all this is sitting next to me, Marizia.
Get back together, you see. I came to Voyage to
found me.
seek and find my
See how
friend.
special I am?
You're special. You know she's special. She knows she's special. Yeah. We're gonna hang out later tonight. Just having a grog now. She has to go back to work.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's
Okay,
responsible now.
Yes, I am.
Let's meet Marisa in a new segment we call Galopin's Guest.
Babe, when I saw you for the first time, I knew we were.
So okay. Everybody remembers Marizia now? Huh?
Yeah, I hope so.
Sure.
Yeah.
You know?
Hi
Anyway.
guys. I'm Marizia.
Remember she came here, what was it, 4 months ago?
Yeah, 3 months and some days. Yeah.
Remember? We sailed together from Mindelo, stopped in Sao, and then came here. And I dropped her off to work.
Yes, I came here to work on an animation team in a hotel called Iberostar. So that's it.
And how is it? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it because we dance and I love dance. It can be a little bit stressing, not a little bit, it is, but I like it, yeah.
So what do you do? What kind of animation? What's the dances that you do?
So each day we have a show at night. We have Cape Verde show, greatest show that is a musical from a film. We have best of, that different types of music with ABBA, Greece. Cape Verde show, of course, our traditional dance, and that's it.
She told me she had to sing playback to ABBA's SOS.
Yeah, but I don't like playback. Trust me, I really don't like.
I'm like, you know ABBA? And she's like, of course. She's got good musical culture, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what about Boa Vista? Do you like Boa Vista? Do you like celebrate? Yeah.
Yes. At the beginning, I will be, I'm gonna stay here. I don't know. Maybe I go back to my island. But now I love it. I really like Boa Vista. It's here is relax. You know, Sao Vicente can be, but here it's I like it. Yeah.
What do you mean? What is tutu in Sao Vicente?
Too much party. They don't stop. So sometimes you want something different, you know, for your life.
Yeah. I think she has a future. I keep telling Marisa maybe she should start her own show of Cape Verdean dancers, musicians, artists, tour around the world.
Yeah, but it's not easy.
Oh, but maybe. Look at her. She could be famous, huh?
Why not?
Maybe. Well, she has plenty of time. In about 2 weeks. What's happening in about 2 weeks, Marisa?
What's happening?
Yeah, to you. That's important.
My birthday, 24 years. No, 16.
So she has plenty of time. And so, okay, so this is, you know. And what about Galopin? Were you happy to see Galopin again?
Of course, I miss Galopin, my other house. You know?
That's true. She hung out with me 2 days.
I miss him, miss my family, but you know, life is hard sometimes.
You know, she's my sister. We're brother and sister.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. came here with her friend Lori, her friend Rivaldo, and another kid, and we had a blast, right?
Yeah.
They took me out to the club, and of course, the after party starts at dawn and goes into the day. I wish I had film footage of Marizia and Lori performing on stage at the resort hotel. However, this private display of unscripted, frolicking fun is a pretty darn good consolation prize. Those interminable hours out in a punishing sea were perhaps the price I had to pay for these memorable moments of pure pleasure.
Just dance and had fun.
Yeah, it was a good night.
As usual. It's been a long time since we had fun like that.
It's the morning after our party. We had fun. Yeah, we had a lot of fun. Today we're recovering. Our friend Rafa, who was over last night.
And the price we're paying for our hangover out here is very reasonable.
Trying to find something to say. Whatever I say needs to
Marizia hung out here, away from the clamor of the hotel world for a couple days. She watched a series, and I worked on a video. We ate, talked, slept until it was time for Marizia to go back to work, and for me to get my autopilot back to work also.
now. I got everything to lose. 'Cause you're the only one I choose. 'Cause no one makes me feel the way you do. The way you turn me on. Kiss me, babe, I want
Man, what a rock star.
And now we're waiting for Peter and Lily. Hopefully they'll be here soon, coming from Dakar.
Maybe tomorrow or
Yeah,
after
we hope so.
tomorrow. Yeah.
Because Lily misses her friend Marisa, and we miss Lily and Peter too.
I
so.
tell you, I'm special.
Marisa, she hates that when she gets emotional and sensitive. She's like, no, I'm gangster. I'm a badass. I don't cry. Wait, where's Marisa's head? It's like we're back together.
Thank you, guys.
See ya.
See you.
So Peter arrived last night, just before midnight, from Dakar, Senegal on their motor. He said he was escorted by dolphins. Just got in and we had a drink and talked last night. And now I'm gonna pull up next to him and I'm gonna transfer over all the stuff that he's left with me, you know, the sails and jerry cans and stuff. I think it's easier. It's really calm today, the bay is calm today, and I think we can tie up next to each other and we're not gonna tangle up masts since he doesn't have one. So here we go. Right, well, here we are. Peter, Lily, we are like on some kind of lake in America, like buddy to buddy, ready to party.
This was far from a party. Peter had to motor his beat-up boat back to Mindelo. He had that weather window, and it had to be taken advantage of. And so did I.
Okay, here we go. We're off to Dakar, Senegal from Voyage. After a fun few days here in Voyage, hanging out with Peter, Lily, Marizia, and the gang. It's time to give it a try. To head over there to Senegal. Keep our fingers crossed, everything goes good. And weather looks fairly mild on the way there, first day. Hopefully we'll be there in a couple days.
I know he's bad for me. He just wants me like he's attached to me. So what's standing in our way? Yeah, he got such power over me, but I try to act cool about it. But what's standing in our way? He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like that. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like that. He does whatever what he feels for nobody.
coming aboard Galopin Winded Voyage. This is our studios. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community there. We've got a lot of cool extra perks this year, like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron Graham started a WhatsApp chat that he aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and we can talk, chat, uncensored, say whatever we want, and discuss anything. And it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. Or you can watch for free on YouTube. Just make sure to give us a like or dislike or leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along on Winded Voyage, man.
He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. So I pull myself together to not give myself the pressure.